What up, YouTube? We about to go to this, oh God, oh shit, embarrassing. Cut the embarrassing car noises, please. I need some more steering fluid in here.
It's working. It just annoying.
Yeah. It's because it's a leak in it. But anyway, YouTube, we are on our way to the Wild Wild West. To the Wild Safari. We about to feed some fucking animals. Ain't we?
Yes.
We about to feed some animals. We about to feed some motherfucking animals. You play too much. He play too much. Talk about we about to feed some motherfucking animals.
That's cool.
These lashes and needles look terrible, but whatever. I don't care. It's nice outside today. So I'm about to take advantage and do a vlog. A Wild Safari vlog. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned and
Yeah.
come turn up with us in a minute, y'all.
Can't add to your food.
Alright, let me get some of this stuff. There's people here. This is exciting.
Oh man, this is Jurassic
Look,
Park.
I told you. I told you. Them the vans we rent.
Yeah. Ooh, they got restrooms.
No, they got restrooms.
I like that.
Coolie in the building. He think he fly.
Yeah, look at my steering wheel. Poop flyer. I'm Pootie Tang. Hey, you talking about?
Irritating. Alright, we gotta get everything we need here. Just to stop. Pop the trunk, 'cause I want to put my bag in the trunk.
Man, let me go use the bathroom real quick.
I gotta teach you, so.
I'm gonna hit this blunt real quick.
Pop the trunk.
Alright, how you doing? Oh, you got that fancy shit.
Now my phone still back there playing music. You need some gum or anything before we go? I'm about to put everything in my bag. Huh?
I get them gummies.
Okay, here. And we taking these gloves because I'm definitely not touching them little sloppy motherfuckers.
Damn, we get the rest of them.
Sloppy on my goddamn hand. That's a no for me. So we made it to the safari land, y'all. Come over here. Oh. Lock the door.
Alright.
So I said tickets in here.
Yeah, they got tickets on the top of the building.
I want one of them so bad.
Not yet.
I would rent a van.
A van.
Because you take your car out there, then like the Rams or you go there, they jump right up on the thing and look at their hands. I wouldn't take my car.
All right, good. Good heads up, man. Thanks. He just advised us not to take our car out there.
Oh, we're not gonna take the car. It's either the car or get in the van with the other people.
Let's get in there with everybody else.
Why? I'm gonna get it. Okay.
So we ain't got to drive.
So you're gonna ride the bus?
Yeah.
And did you want a body bag?
Bring my purse in. I'm pissed off my fucking app ain't working out here. My phone ain't working period out here.
He's the best seizure, yeah.
You got us getting the gloves on?
Yeah.
You got something to it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get prepared for this, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not letting them slobber on me. That's yeah, you know,
That shit did.
not slobbering on me.
That shit did.
So we gotta get ready.